instant emergency landing with lights pointed at the plane all over the place. It was amazing. Alright, who else crapped their pants and the plane hit the ground?
I had to flush. You know why it landed like that? Because he landed. I tell everybody that when the plane lands good, that's the computer landing it. That's like it used to land in the 70s. Bam! Because there's a pilot landing a plane. But that wasn't
Chop,
like
chop.
a hydraulic system. What uses hydraulics in a plane? Everything!
Yeah, I twittered immediately. I was just like, two words you never want to hear ever in the air is hydraulic flame.
When he was like, we have 3 systems, one is down. Pause. And after that he doesn't say, but it's all good. He says,
So you might,
continues.
yeah, you might see some fire trucks and various things.
Freaking out.
Yeah.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I just closed my eyes.
I was.
Sat back. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna enjoy the scenery.
And there was that eerie silence, and then the baby started to cry.
Yeah.
The whole time
Movie moment.
I'm thinking, man, I should have missed the flight.
Yeah, I was thinking that exact same thing. I was sitting there going, man, I was like calling, wanting him to get on this flight.
The girl and I look at each other in the back, like, the crap. We should have missed the flight.
Wow.
Yeah, good times. And then it was, I've never seen an airport look like a ghost town and every light pointing towards a plane.
Yeah, it was kind of nuts. Yeah, did you hear the alarm from the cockpit? It was driving me nuts. It was like beep, beep, beep.
Oh, really?
Beep.
You can hear it?
Constant.
That was exciting. Good times. Oh, really?
That really creeped me out. Cause I was sitting in like fourth, fifth row, something like that. Not fun.
We have a situation.
Okay.
Yeehaw.
We missed baggage?
They do give you a bag back.
We're live. Alright, there are the last people with some bags. And then there's us. No one else. Bum, bum, ba-da. As they kill us and they lose their bags.
We have a near-death experience and we lose our bags all in one day. What the hell?
The airline that always loses my bags. Delta. Put that here. I'll make a commercial for you.
Hi, welcome to Delta. And then you go through your flight. You land, it's like, I'm sorry, we've lost your bags. Oh yeah, you were flying, everybody's happy, smiling, we go to land, it's like
Can we get some assistance here?
There's a slight gas leak and we may catch on fire when we land. I feel that we'll be perfectly safe.